Gaylee Valente's family says she was a wonderful and smart woman.
This is a picture of Gaylee with one of her children when they were a baby.
They say she should still be here.
She absolutely would still be alive today if the police had intervened.
Sam Daheim is an attorney for Gaylee's family. In a lawsuit filed against the Tacoma Police Department, her family claims police failed to protect Gaylee from her ex-boyfriend, who ended up killing her.
That she was afraid she was going to be killed. She told them that, and they did nothing.
On October 15, 2021, the lawsuit states Gaylee was assaulted and hospitalized by her ex-boyfriend, Tony Sanders. 3 days later, Gaylee obtained a domestic violence no-contact order.
Gaylee did everything right in those ways.
On October 27th, the lawsuit shows she reported to Tacoma Police Sanders was violating the order and was sending her threatening text messages. Then on November 3rd, she contacted police again to report Sanders found where she was staying, cut the power lines to her new home, and bashed her car windows.
Police did nothing to respond to that. And then she was killed 2 days later on November 5th.
Sanders stabbed Gaylee more than 30 times and stabbed a bystander who tried to help. The bystander survived. Gaylee did not.
When people ask for help from police, they should get help. Gaylee did everything she could to ask for, really plead for protection, which she was entitled to under the law.
Gaylee's dad told King 5 she was a lovely daughter, a loving mother, and a good friend. She did exactly what a person is supposed to do facing serious domestic violence and abuse. She asked for help.
The goal of this lawsuit is to ensure that people in those situations, when they ask for help, that they get it.
The Tacoma Police Department told me today that they cannot comment on cases being actively litigated, Joyce.
And then what about the suspect in this case? What has happened with that person?
Her ex-boyfriend was convicted by a jury back in 2023, and he was sentenced to life in prison with no possibility of release. Back to you, Joyce.
In Tacoma tonight, Connor, thank you.